Welcome to the Gaiety School of Acting's YouTube channel. You are about to watch a scene that was taken from our 2023 production of Hamlet. We have selected a bunch of key scenes that we have broken down into bite-sized pieces with description and analysis for you to gain a better understanding of the play. I hope you enjoy, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel for more Shakespeare resources. Hearing of his father's death, Laertes rushes back to Denmark with an army. Claudius tries to convince him that he's not the killer of Polonius. A singing Ophelia enters.
Will you know them then?
To his good friends, thus wide I'll ope my arms.
I am guiltless of thy father's death, and am most sensible in grief for it.
They bore him their feast on the bier. Hey nonny, nonny, hey nonny. And in his grave rained many a tear. Fare you well, my dove.
Oh, heat dry up my brains. Tears 7 times salt burn out the sense and virtue of mine eye. O Rose of May, dear maid, kind sister, sweet Ophelia. O heavens, is possible? Hadst thou thy wits and didst persuade revenge, it could not move thus.
Laertes is shocked to see his sister's state. Ophelia starts giving flowers to everyone. You see, in Shakespeare's time, flowers had meaning. They were used as a secret code. So, what meaning do these flowers have?
There's rosemary. That's for remembrance. Pray. Love, remember. There's pansies, that's for thoughts.
Rosemary was used in funeral arrangements. Ophelia might have wanted Laertes to remember their father. Or Shakespeare might have hinted at Ophelia's later death. The name pansy comes from the French pensée, which means thoughts. Laertes might have received pansies as his thoughts are full of love, tenderness, and grief.
A document in madness, thoughts and remembrance fitted.
There's fennel for you. Columbines.
Columbines were the flowers of deceived lovers. Ophelia might have been criticizing Claudius for his betrayal of his late brother by marrying Gertrude.
There's rue for you. And some for me. There's a daisy. I would give you violets, but they withered all when my father died.
Rue was known to be good for the eyes. By giving rue to the queen and to herself, Ophelia might have suggested to the queen that she needs to open her eyes to the choices she's made. Ophelia's eyes have unfortunately already been opened to the cruelty of the world and to Hamlet's true nature. Daisies symbolize gentleness, kindness, and innocence. Notice how Ophelia doesn't give it to anyone? Maybe she's suggesting that none of them have human dignity. Violets are the representation of faithfulness, but they have all withered. Maybe Ophelia is suggesting that in the court, no one is faithful to one another.
They say he made a good end. And will he not come again? And will he not come again? No, no, he is dead. Go to thy deathbed! He never will come again.
Good Laertes, be you content to lend your patience to us. We shall jointly labor with your soul to give it due content.
Let this be so. His means of death, his obscure funeral, no trophy, sword, nor hatchment, or his bones, no noble rite, nor formal ostentation. Cries to be heard, as 'twere from heaven to earth, that I must call it in question.
So it shall. Where the great offense be, let the axe fall.
Laertes questions the way the court handled his father's death, and he demands to know what really happened to his father. Claudius promises justice. If you enjoyed this content, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more Shakespeare resources.